Another thing that has changed is the earnest money deposit. Your earnest money deposit, I know that Mike kind of talked about the amount of the deposit, but what has changed is usually when you get an offer accepted, you deliver the earnest money deposit directly to escrow, correct? Is everybody with me? Yes. Today's hump day, right? All right, just making sure. Okay. So the earnest money deposit actually has to go, when you get your offer accepted, you have to make 2 stops. Number 1, you have to make 1 stop if it's a BLB property, you have to stop at BLB and you have to deliver the contract. The contract that Mike was speaking of, all of that contract and its disclosures go to BLB. And your second stop is you have to make a stop at the agent's office and give them the earnest money deposit. That earnest money deposit does not stay with the contract, it goes to the listing agent. And it's very specific on how that deposit needs to read. The deposit needs to be made out, and it must be certified funds, or it can be the U.S. postal money order. So that does not mean you go to 7-Eleven and you get your money order, or you go to, it has to be a U.S. postal money order or a certified check from your bank. And the way it reads is a little bit different from how it needs to be filled out. Usually when you make an escrow earnest money deposit, it says escrow company, pay to the order of whatever escrow company. In this case, it needs to have your escrow company and your buyer's name. So that, and it has to say or. It cannot say and, it cannot say slash, it cannot say, it has to say ABC Escrow or John Doe. Very important. If it comes to my office and it's incorrect, I'm sorry, but I'm going to make you guys, you guys have to go back and get another deposit check because it will not be accepted. So, and again, the amount of the deposit, which is another benefit of HUD Homes, is we all want to make our offers stronger. Not being HUD Homes, we all want to make them stronger and say we'll give you a $10,000 deposit. HUD Homes, the advantage, because our buyers, they want to give home ownership. They want that first-time buyer to have that privilege and have that luxury. So to make that so, it's only the low amount of $1,000. I say it's 2 amounts, 500 or 1,000, but I don't know a home under 50,000 in Orange County. But if you do, let me know. So in Orange County, it's $1,000. So your deposit will always be $1,000 and in this form.